Hey, what's going on, everybody? James here. It's your first time here. Thanks for joining me. If you are a returning subscriber, I owe you a big apology. I know I promised that I would post a video a couple weeks ago giving you an update on my dental journey, and I've not done so. As you can tell, I'm in a fitness center and I'm not working out. But I'm traveling again for work, just like I have been for the last several weeks, and just have not had time. The little bit of time I did have for downtime, my wife and I took 10 days. We went up to a cabin in Tennessee and celebrated our 25th wedding anniversary. She's an absolutely amazing woman. Can't believe she's hung out with me for that long. Actually, way longer than that because we were together for several years before we got married. But yeah, I'm sorry. Sorry I didn't get that video posted. But I promise I'm going to get that done. And that's why I'm making these videos because I want to know what you want to hear about. Do you want a full, concise video talking about where I started at, what my problems were, how did I locate a good provider, how many providers did I actually check in with, how did we afford it, really? It's a very expensive journey. There's several options out there that I can discuss on how to afford that and what to expect, either from your first extraction all the way out to getting your final zirconia, or it doesn't have to be zirconia. That's just your choice. I chose to go with zirconia because the longevity of it. And I just really want to get your feedback. What is it that you want to hear? What questions do you have that you would like to have more insight on? I may not have all your answers, but I'm pretty sure I got most of them. And then more importantly, you're probably looking at my head saying, what the hell happened to your head, James? You had nice hair. And you're absolutely right. I had some nice colored hair. It was natural. It wasn't colored. But the silver and the white and all that good stuff, was just covering up a bald spot. And I want to talk more about that in the near future because what we did, or what I did, was did a before and after, even a video of my wife cutting it all off. And I put it on Reddit on the bald group. And the feedback I got, some was fantastic, very supportive, but the majority of it was quite asinine on how people reacted to it without knowing the whole story. So maybe you're like me and you got thinning hair or a bald spot and you've considered it, but you're scared to, or you don't want to pull the trigger. Let's talk about it. I figured, you know what, James, if you get yourself a nice new smile, you see it, right? It looks good. It feels great. But now you're still hiding a little bit. So this was a way to embrace the new me and to become a happier person and be a better person for my wife and family. My teeth was all about getting healthier. Now it's about getting more mentally in tune with myself. And that's what I want to talk about in some future videos. So if you have any questions or you like that or you got input, like how to maintain this crap, drop it in the comments. I can't believe I'm sitting here standing in a fitness room in a hotel, and as you can tell, it's a large one, and there's not a single person working out around here. So maybe I should. Maybe that's just my next journey is getting back in shape. But until then, I just wanted to drop a quick video, tell you I'm sorry. Promise you I will get that out to you, but I wanted to get your feedback on what exactly you wanted to see or hear about. And I'd have a lot of video footage stored on a hard drive over the past 2 months that I plan to start trying to sit down and edit so I can share with you. And that can be things like my dental journey. It could be my hair, or it might even be from my anniversary, or more importantly, some of my, well, I guess you could consider a midlife crisis, even though it's not. It's not a midlife crisis. It's something I wanted to do. I went out and spent some money and bought a couple things that I didn't need to buy just to have a little fun and do something different, to start living life on the edge with my wife and I. Now, you heard that right, my wife and I. So we do everything together. She's my best friend. So you can't just do one thing for yourself. You got to have a his and a hers, right? And I'm going to share those with you anyways, because I think it's quite comical, hilarious, and stupid at the same time. But I'm okay with that. Anyways, one last thing before I shut this video off. I want to thank each and every one of you that have subscribed to my channel. I started this channel, or started actively recording this channel almost 1 year ago this coming weekend. On my 50th birthday is when I started. I will be celebrating my 51st birthday here this weekend. I think it's this weekend. And I'm at 98 subscribers. I would love nothing more than be able to pick up a couple more and hit that 100 mark. So if you like these videos, you find me entertaining, you want to hear more from me, let me know what you want to hear about, because I can talk about almost anything. I've got tons of life experience, tons of mistakes, stupid decisions, and I know a lot more than most people think I know anything about. And I would love to share it with each and every one of you. So until then, give me a like, subscribe if this is your first time here, so you get notifications. And hopefully you're not just sitting here for the last 6 minutes laughing at my bald head, because it is something to get used to. Look, there's a big mirror here. Let's see if I can. Look at that. It needs to get some sun on it so it matches at least my front side. Anyways, thank you everyone for your time, for watching my videos, putting up with my nonsense. I truly appreciate every one of you. And until then, I hope everybody has a great night, great week, and is doing fantastic. And we'll talk to you soon. Take care.